So what's about to come might shock you, because if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios, we are definitely being flashed with some very interesting move. But before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around free $200 futures position airdrop, either Bitcoin USD position, Ethereum USD position, or Solana USD position. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, looking at this price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame, you can see we are following this bullish continuation pattern. 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. And if you look in our case, guys, the price of Bitcoin has not just only broken out from this point too, but we even came back to retest it, which acted as support. For us right now, for the medium short term, we just need the price to remain above this horizontal trend line, or let's say 69,500. If the price in the medium short term manages to remain above 69,500, then this will continue here to the upside, because price is not just only showing sideways movement, but it is also forming a bullish pattern known as double bottom. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. This could be looked as a double bottom pattern if the price remains above 69,500 in the medium short term, because remaining above that range parallelly will also follow another bullish continuation pattern parallel to this double bottom, which is a ascending triangle. Yes, guys, price remaining above 69,500 will not just only play out as 1, 2, 3 reversal double bottom pattern, but also as an ascending triangle. And if you look at this ascending triangle, you can see once the price flips this upper trend line into proper support, which is going to happen if the price remains over 69,500, then we are going to look this as a continuation pattern. And in that case, our price objective is going to be somewhere around 76,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. 76,000 will be on the line if the price in the medium short term manages to remain above 69,500, because we know parallelly the price of Bitcoin is also following this bullish continuation pattern, which we have been talking since days. I mean, price has broken out of this neckline. Since then, we are showing bullishness. Right now, what might be happening here could be just a temporary sideways movement before breaking here to the upside, because we just found out this might be a double bottom formation, even as an ascending triangle. So these are all bullish continuation pattern if we can remain above 69,500. So remaining above 69,500, you can see will play out as this ascending triangle, double bottom pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern, and even this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern, because we know in a 4-hour time frame, if we look at this in a bit different way, even this descending broadening wedge scenario is lining up perfectly. Price has broken out of this key line of resistance, has also started to show bullishness, so that's why this is going to be looked as a continuation pattern. And according to this descending broadening wedge, our price objective sits around 76,000. In between that range is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted, as long as it remains above 69,500. And the actual reason why this 69,500 is so important for us is because of this one indicator as well. I mean, our leading indicator. According to this leading indicator for this month of March, this arrow line, this green line, will be looked as one of the most important line of support. Why support? Because this time we are not below it, but above it. That means this same line which previously acted as resistance, you can see here, will be acting as support. So that's why remaining above 69,500 could trigger another bullish move like this, where we could be heading towards the monthly R2 line. And now even according to this channel breakout formation. If we look at this channel breakout formation after this retracement, you can see price perfectly retested the 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line in between that range. And since then, right from this low till this high, you can see we had a perfect 0.5 Fibonacci line retest, and price after that started showing bullish move. Now, if this here is going to be looked as another bullish continuation, I mean, price breaking out from this channel, right, in a bigger frame, you can see it is going to be looked as a bullish continuation pattern with price objective above 80,000. And I am being very realistic here, guys. This 80,000, above 80,000 is a very, very bullish target for now. But even if we fail to go that high, we will be happy if the price could make a new all-time high after reaching 75, 76,000, because by doing that, you can see even in a smaller time frame, this another double bottom type of formation will play out perfectly, because the price has not just only broken above this neckline from double bottom, but also retested it. So that's why it is going to be looked as a bullish continuation pattern as long as the price in the medium short term remains above 69,500, because this price objective, right, you can see if this bullish continuation pattern is going to play out according to the double bottom from the bottom till the neckline, our price target is around 75,500. So that's why 75, 76,000 will be looked as our upcoming target if the price in the medium short term remains above 69,500 range, because we know each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin has tested the support from this rising trend line, what has happened after that? Each and every time during this uptrend, whenever the price of Bitcoin has tested the support from this rising trend line, we have formed a new high. So that's why this was a double test from this rising trend line, and since then the price is also showing bullishness. Even if the price in the medium short term shows more of a range bound like this, right, slowly getting attracted on this trend line one more time, please do not worry, because that will be just a temporary sideways movement before breaking here to the upside, because finding proper support above this rising trend line has led to a new high. So that's why if we can simply remain above 69,500, it is also going to be looked as another continuation where the price could be heading to us to form a new high. So that's why, guys, that's why looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, we are definitely being flashed with some very, very bullish move for the coming days. Even if it starts showing weakness, I have been clear. Our indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator, will be looked as support. During uptrend, these trend lines will be looked as one of the most important line of support. So there is no need to worry, even if the price shows more of a sideways movement like this. And even if you look at the indicator, I mean, RSI line has started to jump above 50, which is a very good sign. MACD might be forming a bullish crossover, because we have already seen RSI line jumping above 50, and also this T3 CCI indicator in a positive territory. So that means once we see this MACD turning bullish, showing a bullish crossover, there is a very high probability of price after that showing another continuation here like this. But what if the price fails the 69,500 support line? What if we fail to hold the support from this monthly R1 line and start showing a move like this? What in that case? In that case, I want you guys to look at this ascending broadening wedge, because according to this ascending broadening wedge, which is a bearish continuation pattern, for now, this upper trend line will be looked as resistance, lower trend line will be looked as support. So in the medium short term, if we fail to hold this trend line, right, and also fail to find support over 69,500, then I want you guys to be prepared, because in that case we could be slowly, right, showing a move like this in which the price could be heading to us to find proper support around the 61, 62,000 before finding bottom, before starting with an actual impulsive move. Because I personally think any sort of a retracement, any sort of a pullback is going to give us a buying opportunity, because in a bull market, we have seen price showing 10, 20, 30, even up to 40% retracement, but at the end making a new high. So that's why, guys, any sort of a pullback, in my opinion, is going to give us a buying opportunity. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And not just only that, to those individuals who are still unaware about this 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is providing around free 200 USD position airdrop, either Bitcoin USD airdrop, Ethereum USD airdrop, or Solana USD airdrop. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.